Hello, my name is Jacob Bell, and this is my speech on the benefits of artificial intelligence. As stated on the Futurism website at futurism.com in an article titled, Kurzweil claims that the singularity will happen by 2045, Ray Kurzweil stated, and I quote, 2029 is the consistent date I have predicted for when AI will pass a valid Turing test and therefore achieve human levels of intelligence. It is amazing to think that such a feat is even possible. Imagine in 6 short years we could have fully functional robots capable of experiencing human emotion. But you may ask, what does that do for humanity? Kurzweil went on further to say that, I have set the date 2045 for the singularity, which is when we will multiply our effective intelligence a billionfold by merging with the intelligence we have created. Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing. And the more it grows, the more opportunities it provides for humanity and society to advance as well. Despite the fear surrounding its existence, AI is undoubtedly bringing about change in the field of technology and is improving the way we access our information by making it more accessible and more efficient, and in doing so is improving the way our society functions. Today I will be speaking about three main topics. One being AI and its applications in the medical field. The second being how it can be used to support the development of renewable energy. And the third being the current uses of AI in our search engines and how it can improve them in the future. The next topic I would like to touch on is how AI can improve the field, the medical field. Artificial intelligence in healthcare may be intimidating, yet it has already started, and it has already shown its results. AI is advancing how our healthcare system works, and it is making it easier to predict diseases and to examine patients. On Parkinson.org, in a blog titled Artificial Intelligence Study Detects Parkinson's from Breathing Patterns, it is stated, and I quote, that researchers designed an AI-based system for detecting PD, predicting its severity, and tracking disease progression over time using nocturnal breathing. They want to talk about how the researchers developed an AI-powered machine that was capable of tracking nocturnal breathing in order to predict Parkinson's before it actually developed, with 90% accuracy, which is astounding. Additionally, it has potential in the logistical side of healthcare as well. On the Forbes magazine website, Bernard Marr states in an article titled How AI and Machine Learning Will Impact the Future of Healthcare, and I quote, that the biggest promise of AI in healthcare comes from changing clinical workflows. And I quote, AI can add value by either automating or augmenting the work of clinicians and staff. Many repetitive tasks will become fully automated, and we can also use AI as a tool to help health professionals perform better at their jobs and improve the outcomes for patients. This kind of technology could cut emergency wait room times in half. That alone is an amazing benefit, and it will allow healthcare professionals to focus more on the patients and their needs rather than having to work on tedious things like charting and paperwork. The next topic I would like to touch on is how AI can improve the field of renewable energy. With global warming gradually becoming a bigger concern, any help in the field of renewable energy is a huge benefit to society. One way that AI has been showing this is how it uses past and present weather data to help predict the weather. Carlo Milone states on the website quantasc.com in a blog title, Is Artificial Intelligence the Future of Renewable Energy? And I quote, that AI programs combine self-learning weather models, historical weather datasets, and real-time local weather information to predict power generation and communicate with grid capacity levels. This would allow operators to better prepare their electric grids so that they would become more suitable for powering entire cities and they become more reliable, which also in turn makes them more stable, which is a huge benefit for just renewable energy in general because that was a huge concern already. Malone goes on to state in reference to AI predictive abilities, and I quote, that it is also really useful for the maintenance of infrastructure. AI technologies are able to identify areas of energy leakage as well as examine the health of devices. This would allow workers to better assess the buildings and infrastructure and to catch critical damage before it causes disasters, which would be a major benefit, especially in areas like nuclear energy. The last topic that I want to provide some insight on is how AI can improve our search engines. As of today, it has been just about 3 weeks since Microsoft announced that they would be adding an AI chatbot button to their search engine, Bing. Although the AI is very much so unpolished, it is still an incredibly impressive feat. Combining AI with search engines has yielded results that are much more specific than a general search. The new chatbots that have been released are capable of searching the internet and compiling data quickly and efficiently, and even have the ability to generate code that is specific to their users' requests. All of this is not new. In fact, Google has been using AI in their search engines for years now. Matt G. Southern states in a blog post titled Google's new AI-powered features, search just got smarter, on the website searchenginejournal.com, and I quote, another new feature called multi-search allows users to search with images and text simultaneously. This kind of innovation is exactly why AI-powered search engines are so useful. Instead of having to find a way to dig through a sea of generated results, the AI would be smart enough to know exactly what the user wanted and would generate more specific answers that would better suit the needs of the user. Southern also states on the same post in relation to the Google Lens feature that, and I quote, with the new update, users can use Lens to search for information directly from their mobile screens, meaning that Google now has a feature that uses AI to recognize objects in photos, which has many practical uses as it can find things in photos that the user may have overlooked. Artificial intelligence may be advancing at a startling pace, but its potential needs to be recognized. In conclusion, it could revolutionize healthcare and could save the lives of millions, even help push humanity into an era of renewable energy, which would help mitigate the destruction of our planet. It has the potential to drastically improve how we do research, collect data, and overall how we make decisions. I will leave you with a quote by Andrew Ng, a globally recognized leader in AI and the founder of Deep Learning AI, found on the Stanford Graduate School of Business website. Quote, AI is the new electricity. Just as electricity transformed almost everything 100 years ago, today I actually have a hard time thinking of an industry that I don't think AI will transform in the next several years.